One last point I guess I'd make is all of the reports that you get back each semester have the statistical detail page. There are a number of people here who do statistics more than I do. You've got frequency here along the Likert scale. You've got the average score. You've got a standard deviation for all the questions asked on the student evaluation. So if you want to go in here and sort of say, where are the highest scores and the lowest standard deviation, you can do that.
Can you just slideshow it so it's bigger?
Yeah, sorry. So if you're doing the short form, this is page 3 of the printed report you get. If you're doing the diagnostic form, it's page 4. It's the last printed page of the printed results that you get. And here, I've had people say, I have a concern that my students aren't doing the evaluation, or they're just checking one box, or they're just, they're opening it and they're hitting submit without filling out any of the questions. You can see omitted results. So if you have people who've submitted an evaluation, they didn't fill anything out, you'll see the omits. I haven't seen a pattern in terms of that. I think it was a concern, it was a hypothetical, but I haven't seen that realized yet. If people start seeing examples, please forward them to me. I'd like to have them. So this is what you see. 1 through 12. Those are your learning objectives. If you have a diagnostic because you're on tenure track, it's 21 through 32 are the questions that you see. There's a lot of confusion over this. The students get asked all 12 questions. And I had faculty...
So regardless of what you pick is important and not, they still get all 12 questions.
They all get 12 questions. You have to tell them which are the important ones.
But if you say this is not important, it doesn't matter what the score they give on that one.
Because it's not counted. That's right.
Okay. Because that was not clear to me. I guess I'm stupid.
And they're not going to know which ones you picked unless you tell them which ones you picked.
And they have to remember.
And they have to remember it. And they have to remember it from the Thursday when you remind them just before the evaluation window starts to
Monday, yeah.
whenever they fill it out during the evaluation period, right? You can put it up on Canvas if you want. You can put it on your syllabus if you want. There are a number of things you can do to try to reinforce that. It's cooked into the thing. The reason I've been told the reason that they're asked all 12 is to maintain the validity of the instrument, and also because there's information that's provided about. They actually do testing to see whether the teaching methods and classroom practice aligns with the results in terms of learning objectives as part of their formative development. So the instrument has just been designed. It hasn't been designed to selectively present. It's been designed to present all 12.
So these 12 questions are standard, am I right?
Correct.
Irrespective of the objectives that the instructor has seen.
Well, the ones that you've selected here, you'll see in bold.
Oh, okay.
And those are the only ones. Those are the only ones that are counted on the scores that you
Okay,
get.
well, do the students see them being bolded?
No.